Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change date and time in Android phone. Now on your Android phone, go ahead and open settings, and once settings is open, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and find system. Tap on system and you'll be able to find date and time. If you do not find system, you can check for general management, and if you do not find any of these, you can simply come to the search section and search for date and time. Now you should see date and time. Tap on this and this will take you to your date and time settings. If you have a network provider, by default it may be set as use network provider time. You can always toggle this off if the time isn't correct, and then tap on set dates. You can tap on the year, the day, month or date, and make customization. Tap on OK to save once you're done, and to set your time, tap on set time, and here you can change the time. You can tap on the hour, the minute, and choose whether you want it to be AM or PM. Below here, you'll be able to drag and customize the time. So depending on your Android version, this may differ from what you're seeing on my screen. Tap on OK once you're done to save. You can also select a time zone and choose if you want your clock to be 12 or 24 hours. So thank you for watching this video on how to change date and time on Android phone. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.